Hello and welcome everyone. Now we will discuss about the levels of maintenance. Now, when it comes to the level 1 type of maintenance, these are mainly to be done by the machine operators or the production staff. This means like the daily inspections, then the general cleaning, then inspecting and tightening the bolts and nuts, then general lubricating and things like this. By now, we already know about these tasks. When it is coming to level 2 type of maintenance, these are mainly to be done by the technicians. Now, tasks or events like changing a 3-phase electrical contactor, then changing any thermal overload relay, then changing and repairing any timers, then power supply, then cleaning electrical terminals and contacts, then servicing the motors or the pumps. This means lubricating the bearings, cleaning the carbon deposits, if needed, changing the brushes, and maybe things like that. Then comes repairs in the electrical lines, then hydraulic and pneumatic repairs, then cleaning the condensers or the cooling tanks of any chillers. And any similar task like this becomes a level 2 kind of maintenance. Then, when it is coming to level 3 type of maintenance, this needs to be done by the technicians but with the help of the engineers. Now, like changing a PLC, then maybe changing a motor, then maybe doing a full overhaul of a gearbox, then a complete overhaul of a hydraulic pump or a compressor, then upgrading and modifying any production machine, then recreating a hydraulic or pneumatic circuit. And events like these can be categorized as level 3 kind of maintenance. Now, when it is coming to the level 3, we will usually need high amount of skills and knowledge. Skills means the practice, knowledge means the theoretical knowledge. Like sometimes we will need to do some calculations. Then we will need to put more effort. Then we will need more time to do it. And the cost is also very high. Now, when we consider level 1 kind of maintenance, we will require very less skills and knowledge, then effort and time and cost. Then when it is coming to level 2 kind of maintenance, we will need some skills and knowledge, then we will need to put little bit more effort, then we will need some time to do it, we will need to put new spare parts, and there is some cost with this. Now we can understand how these three are categorized. Replacing a PLC is not easy as just taking a cloth and wiping it. You will need the engineers to select the correct PLC, then do the programming, then it has to be uploaded to the PLC, then the technicians will need to fix it with the machine, then we need to do some test runs and commission the machine, and then only we can use it for production. Now just imagine, we will need high amount of skills and knowledge requirement, then we will need to put more effort, we need more time, and the cost is also very high. It is same with changing a motor. First of all, need to match the power ratings, then the number of poles, then need to match the torque requirements, then the RPM, and need to see whether it can be fitted with our existing equipment, and then only we can approve the motor. Replacing a motor is really expensive and we always can't afford to do it. Likewise, this is how we try to categorize the maintenance levels. Sometimes there may be some confusions between level 2 and level 3. Then we always need to compare it with these 4 factors, mainly the cost factor. That's all for this lesson. Thank you very much for being with us.